actually you can check this particular sentence, right? And when you click on that, it will give you option to rephrase it. If you don't like how it is phrased, you can click on rephrase and it will There are hundreds of AI writing tools published every single week. But are these tools legit for writing purposes? Can they actually help you write better, or are they dumping filler content? Welcome to day 135 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. We are going to explore one of the free AI writing tool assistant, which is EditPad.ai, and see if it's actually creating something useful or just copying and dumping random stuffs. Let's get started. And to start, let's go to editpad.org. So once you create your account, this is how it is going to look like. First, let's go to AI essay writer. And then as always, you just have to mention what is the topic and it will write for you. So we can write an essay on combination of AI and no code. Now, academic level, you can have default, middle school, high school, college, or graduate. Let's go with college, and we can also adjust the essay length like short, medium, long, or extensive. Of course, long extensive is pro version. We can choose medium, and we can add references from here like APA, MLA, Harvard, IEEE, and all. We'll keep it as none. Essay type is basic or descriptive, narrative, persuasive, comparative, argumentative, analytical, research, and so on and so forth. Let's go with basic, and I'll click on write my essay. As always, it will just take a few seconds and write an essay for us. Let's see, it's asking us to verify we are human. So let's click on that and then it gets started. 1, 2, 3, 4, and essay is ready. There you go. The combination of artificial intelligence and no-code development represents a significant evolution in how technology is employed in various sectors. So actually you can check this particular sentence, right? And when you click on that, it will give you option to rephrase it. If you don't like how it is phrased, you can click on rephrase and it will actually rephrase. But this is a paid feature, right? You can also check for plagiarism, paraphrase it, summarize it. It gives us the option of 3 essays, and when you click on it, that's when it is generating. So essay 2 is slightly different. Okay, and then if you go to essay 3, and then if you have to generate the essay 3, you need to be on the pro plan. You can copy it, you can download it, or you can research it. Let's go back to AI Detector. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just copying this, go to AI Detector, and then I'm going to paste it over here. Let's detect AI. And it says human written content is 78%. Okay, AI content is 22%. Now, whether EditPad wants to say that its AI is as natural as human, I'm not sure, right? But we all saw that this entire content was written using editpad.org AI, but it says human content is 78%, right? So AI detector might not be working, or EditPad might want to say that their AI content is as close to human written. I'm not sure. Humanize AI content. So you can copy this, go to Humanize AI content and paste this over here and click on Humanize. There you go. It has given a different way of writing, right? And it says that this is humanized. So let's copy this. Let's go back to AI Detector and we can click on Detect AI. And there you go. It says 100% human content. Okay, that's good. We have plagiarism checker here. We have paraphrasing tool. We have story generator. We have text summarizer. All of this is just like the tools that we explored in the last couple of days. But one thing is certain, AI written content cannot be directly posted on social platforms or on our website. We need to give it a human touch. We have to read through it and understand what needs to be changed. We can use AI to make it refined so that it becomes ready to put it on social platforms or on our websites. If you're using it to get started or beat writer's block, this can help. But for anything serious, you might still want to be involved deeply and understand what is coming out and give instructions to refine. Because at the end of the day, AI can write with you, not for you, at least as of now. Let me know, what do you think? Would you use just the AI tool without adding your experience into it, or would you rather use your experience, your expertise to refine it so that the output is better. Put it in the comments below or share it in our WhatsApp community. And do share this with someone who is still randomly copy pasting for their essay work. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.